Guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tanya and today I'm super excited to tell you all that this is the last episode of Get Ready With Me for this Valentine's Day. So I'm just super excited to shoot this one and because this is the last one and it is all about Valentine night. So I'm very much excited about the dress and everything. So as you can see that I wore a black jumpsuit, so I am not sure if you are able to see it or not, but it's a black jumpsuit that I wore. Along with this, I've already curled my hair. I love wavy and curly hair. So yes, I have curled my hair and I'm planning to do something smoky, but I want it with a twist. So I want to do something like dark heavy eyes along with dark lips. So I have absolutely no idea what is going on exactly in my mind, but I hope whatever I'm thinking turns out to be good. And without wasting any time, let's get started. So very quickly we're gonna do the skincare routine, and that is we'll quickly gonna do the CTM, that is cleansing, toning and moisturizing. And today I'll not be telling you much about it because I've already recorded it in a lot of videos and you guys have seen it. So just in case somebody is new here, then I'm obviously gonna drop the link to my previous videos, so you can just go and check it out from there. And without wasting any time now, let's get finally started.
Here I come from the west side, the left side, the right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry your brain.
So I'm already done with my CTM. So now the next step that I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna prime my face. For that I'm gonna use this Makeup Studio Professional from Amsterdam. So I'm gonna use this primer.
More carrots, don't tear it. More carrots, where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side, the left side, the right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry your brain. More carrots, don't tear it. More carrots, where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side, the left side, the right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry your brain. the right brain drives me